Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Commodity TV and the Mining Newsflash with OceanaGold, Aurania Resources and Aguila American Gold. OceanaGold announced operating results for the quarter ended 31st March 2021. Consolidated gold production was 83,200 ounces almost at consolidated AISC of $1,229 per ounce on sales of almost 82,850 ounces of gold. Total immediately available liquidity is a healthy $195.5 million, including $145.5 million in cash and $50 million in undrawn credit facilities. Revenue of almost $149 million was achieved with adjusted earnings before interest, depreciation and amortization, shortly named EBITDA, of $66.5 million. Adjusted net income was almost $22 million or 3 cents per share. Operating cash flow is reported at $47.6 million in the first quarter, with fully diluted cash flow per share before working capital movements of 9 cents. Great, of course, is the increase in proven and probable gold reserves of 750,000 ounces and measured and indicated reserves of 660,000 ounces gold. Initial reserves of 620,000 ounces on Martha Underground were also reported. Organic growth projects were advanced, including the development of 2,311 meters on Wahi's Martha Underground and progress on the main access and ventilation tunnels for Golden Point Underground on Macraes. OceanaGold reiterates full-year guidance. The first quarter 2021 results show the company is in good shape and it has overcome challenges in mill operations at Haile and Macraes. At Haile, the operation achieved a record number of mining movements in the first quarter and quickly identified, assessed and resolved disruptions in milling operations. At Macraes, despite the failure of one of their mill motors, which slowed throughput, the operation produced just under 35,000 ounces of gold in the quarter, and guidance for the full year remains also unchanged. OceanaGold has a great organic growth pipeline, and not to mention when DDPO comes back into production, a massive re-rating is in store. We are very positive on the stock with price targets around 5 Canadian dollars and higher. Aurania Resources reported the discovery of Shimpia North, an area where elevated metal values were found in streams draining a 7 kilometers ridge. Shimpia North is an extension of the high-grade silver-zinc-lead mineralization at Tiria Shimpia in Aurania's Lost Cities Kutuku project in southeastern Ecuador. Shimpia North extends the Tiria Shimpia target from 15 kilometers to a total length of 22 kilometers now. Initial reconnaissance exploration in this new area assayed 40 grams silver per ton. Among other samples, a barite lump in a stream assayed 19 grams silver, 6.5% lead and 1.1% zinc per ton. Shimpia North appears to have the same character, style and mineralization type as Tiria Shimpia, although it is shifted to the northwest and could be considered part of the same system. This could be the distal expression of the copper-silver in sediment system traced further south for 23 kilometers across. Aurania may be on the verge of a tremendous new discovery, and Keith Barron may be on the verge of a second success. We wish him well. Aguila American Gold announced results from the winter drill program at the company's WUSA gold project in the US state of Oregon. The assay results were released with some delay due to the heavy workload and COVID-19 restrictions at the assay labs. A total of 4 holes were drilled to further investigate the recently discovered Scorpion Cinnabar prospect area. This prospect area is defined by a gold and arsenic-bearing soil anomaly extending over a 2-kilometer trend south of the historic Black Butte mercury mine. 4 holes were drilled over a length of 1.6 kilometers along strike of a prospective shear zone structure, and either gold mineralization or epithermal indicator elements were intersected in all holes. An epithermal system with gold mineralization was encountered along strike in 3 of 4 holes. The results confirm an epithermal deposit with high-grade, low-sulfidation type mineralization common in the western US, with potentially high gold grades or variations in gold content. Aguila has secured mineral rights to an 8.5 kilometer trend intercept along a projected shear zone. The land is rather virgin and there is only one known exploration hole within an 18-kilometer radius around the site of the current program. Drilling returned elevated values of indicator metals in all holes. For example, 6.1 meters of 0.17 grams gold and 1.1 grams of tellurium per ton were found from 50 meters. The WUSA project is still at an early stage of the exploration cycle. However, a number of discovery targets have already been defined as part of the drilling of Scorpion Cinnabar. Prior to the implementation of this program, one exploration hole was known to exist within a radius of 18 kilometers, and now gold occurrences have been discovered over a strike length of 1.8 kilometers in several drill holes. The extent of structural preparation and low sulfidation type alteration remains impressive and is positive for the WUSA project. The WUSA Gold project has a footprint of over 70,000 hectares. Aguila has initiated the 2021 field season with semi-regional sampling of soil and stream sediments. The 2021 program includes on-site review and exploration of alteration and structural targets, as well as mapping and sampling of the Walker Creek prospect area in preparation for future drilling. We look forward to seeing the next results. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.